Okay, we're at the Circa, room 5120. Chris Carson was nice enough to lend me his room key and do a tour of his incredible suite. This is amazing. When you walk in, huge living area and bar. As usual, we'll check out the map. This is a detailed map. I like that. Then we got this controller here. You can push these, and I believe this is the lights for everything. Can do blinds up and down. That is crazy. And now the curtain's closed. Do it again. And now it's open. That is crazy cool. So this here is for the do not disturb light. Then I guess this turns off. I don't know, this is kind of weird. I'm not quite sure. So night light turns it like off. And then if you hit the other ones, it turns it back on. And that service button, we're not going to push that. I think if you hit high, it turns on all the lights. Boy, just on this alone. Oh, and then buy turns it off. That is really cool. So we'll turn it back on though. Boy, I took like a whole minute just on the darn light controls. That is crazy though. So yeah, you walk in, you have your view of your living room. On this side, we have a bar. And I don't know, it comes with water. Those are, okay, he's got his own drinks. The waters are probably complimentary. Cabinets. Sadly, no microwave. There's the mirror. Mirror, cups, and I guess there's a sink here. That's nice. Extra sink is always cool. See if I can focus on... My focus is always bad. I really need to get a new phone to record with. There's the TV controls. The usual Las Vegas magazine. Beautiful view. The mountains. On both sides. Floor 51, which I guess is probably more like 30 something. I think this place is exactly 40 stories tall. Get a quick view around this area again at our table. Alright, and then there's some light controls there. I guess this is a non-smoking room. Here we have the bedroom. We can turn on the lights. Cabinet, desk. There's a thermostat there too. I guess they made the bed. He probably had the housekeeping make his bed. Okay, that's not a drawer. Again with the window there, we've already seen that view. A tablet controller. That's pretty crazy. In this cabinet, let's see. He has his own clothes in here too. Steamer, some drawers. That's pretty cool. All right, in the bathroom, you can hit the lights in here. And check out this room. There's a sliding door. There's a little makeup station with all the usual stuff. 2 sinks. These sinks are nice. I like those. That's cool. Mirror. There's some way to turn on the lights there. I'm not sure how to do that. Then you got the bathroom, which is behind frosted glass. That's cool. A little toilet paper. Open it up. Nice. And then the shower. I'm not going to run the shower because, actually, never mind. Probably could run the shower. I just don't want to get the little shower towel all wet. Let me see. Run the shower, maybe. Oh, boy, they really locked that. I guess it's running on this little nozzle faucet. There's the, yeah, that, and then you can switch it to this. And then that other one runs. That's cool. I'm not trying to get the little towel and everything all wet though. That's cool. There's some lights there. I'm not sure how you turn those on. There's only one switch in here. Very nice. So look back out this way. Go back this way. And as usual, I conclude my room tours by taking a view of the room from this angle. Just like that. And that's it.